Hello my friends, today I want to show you one of my Spartans. I think this is a Spartan which have very interesting scales. The scales are made by a plotter company, I think in maybe 2013 or 12, something like this. And the scales show the tools which are inside. If you see here, here's the bottle opener, and the tools show, the scales show the bottle opener inside of this. And here we have the blade. So the blade is here. You can see the company. It's a very nice gimmick, I think. It's hard to find this knife. Here you can see the corkscrew. It's very funny, I think. And the can opener here. Yes, it's hard to find. The value is about 50 euro. But I like it very much. So, this is a very nice Spartan. Here you can see the rivets. Yes, I love the idea to show the tools when they are closed in the knife. If you remember, I built a Spartan out of plexiglass. There you can see directly in the knife, and I will show you the video, the link to my video to the plexiglass knife below here in the description. Maybe you want to see it. Yes, this was this special Spartan. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we see us yes, next time.